Guys, I'm losing my voice right now. I have been doing this for like 10 fucking minutes. Crosswalks. Every fucking where there's a damn crosswalk. Wait 5 minutes to load some more fucking pictures. Oh, great. Now it's fucking broke. Now it won't give me any more pictures. Is that a crosswalk? Is that a crosswalk? I don't think so. They're all gone. There's none left. Verify. Here we go again. Traffic lights. Boom, boom, boom. Do you count that as a traffic light? I fucking would. Let's do it. No. More traffic lights. This one, this one, this one. And that little fucker hiding back there in the distance got your fucking ass. Tell me I'm wrong. Motherfucker. Bike, 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 bike! Next! Oh my god! Fucking traffic lights! Next! Traffic lights! Oh, it's a crosswalk, actually. It's a crosswalk. It fucked me up. Oh, I'm gonna get this time. Verify.